What's up, guys? Welcome back to EMS, Empower Melbourne Shuffle. My name is gribbz if you don't already know. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. I'm going to be going over the demo today with the 360 jump kick spin. And just going to be adding in some other kicks and into my freestyle and my free flow. So let's get started, okay? Tired. Okay. You can see I added in a few things there that came off the top of my head while I was freestyling. Such as like this one. You go up like this. You kind of do like a double, kind of like a double kick. You just go up. You can also take your arms and swing them across your chest, like that. Definitely seen people in like Cali do that. Come up, say come up, arms across the chest same time. I like to point the fingers and you could kick out if you want. So it could look like this. Double, and then if you add the arms it'd be just one kick. If you do it with the arms out, do one kick. So boom, boom. You notice I kind of hop on my back foot. I'll be like that. Like you hop forward, boom, kick out. Or you can pretend like you're grabbing something. Kick out like that. There was the other one I did where I was like this. Boom, 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 kick. Okay, so you just boom. Just going back and forth, kind of T-stepping like this. Or just like, it's almost like you're doing Running Man, but just really wide. And you're hopping back and forth. Boom, just kick to your side like that. Okay. Boom, like that. Give it a good thrust. So you can do that. I did a couple of these. Okay, so definitely wears you out. Kicks require a lot of energy. And I know the one on the drop when it was like doom, 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 doom. When I did the kind of the walking start, the 1, 2. Like that. It was kind of poor. In my head, I knew it wasn't very good. And it's all about timing, okay? You got to time these kicks with, with the beginning drop, or like the ending drop, or where there's a break in the music, and that like, all right guys, that wraps it up for kicks. Just practice repetition. You'll get into the more advanced ones like the jump kick as you get further and further into this and practice more. It's just consistency, that's all it is. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, hit the bell if you're not notified already, and I'll see you next time. Peace.